Good day, my senior employer. I am LBB Mananes. I am 28 years old. I am a single parent. I have one son, 4 years old. I am a high school graduate, and my religion is Roman Catholic. My height is 162 centimeter, and I am 60 kilograms. I live in San Jose City, Nueva Ecija, Philippines. I have a wonderful experience as a nanny here in our country for 5 years. And now, I am looking forward to looking a lovely employer. My work experience or my main duties is to taking care of children, do the household works like laundry, ironing, marketing, cleaning, wash dishes, feeding kid, and sometimes I delivered and pick up in their school. I have two employers for 5 years. My first employer started August 2020 up to August 2022. I served three members in the family, including mom and sir and their kid, 2 years old boy. My second employer, I started work in November 2022 up to November 2025. I've served four members in the family, including mom and sir and their grandma, and their kid, 4 years old boy. To my future employer, if you hire me as your helper, you can trust me to taking care of your children and treat you as my family. And I promise I will finish my contract and as long as you want me to serve your family. I am God-fearing, hardworking, trustworthy, honest, kind, caring, and also dedicated to work. I hope this video finds you well and hoping to meet you soon. If you give me a chance to talk and tell me about my work experience, I can follow instructions and rules, and I'm willing to learn a lot of things. Hoping you choose me. God bless to your family and thank you.